Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this really cool device. And why is it cool? Because it's portable, which means it's easy to take places. And why would you want to do that? Well, this is a USB-C to a USB-C or an HDMI out. What that's going to allow me to do is take my iPhone 15 Pro Max and plug it into the bottom of this USB-C in here. It is going to register the device that it shows it's on there, and then by going to any TV that has an HDMI cable, I can plug this directly into here like this. Voila, it's now connected, and as you can see on the TV, it mirrors your phone and pulls it up. That's really cool. If you're going to be traveling someplace, maybe you're going to go see a grandparent or a college kid or whatever, and you want to take some pictures and be able to share those, it's really hard to sometimes share them with everybody on the screen. Or maybe you're in business, want to do a presentation and want to show some good pictures for your presentation. You know, you're like, hey, here's a really cool picture I've got here. Wanted to show off my dog, you know, things like that. That's really super cool. Or goes a step further, maybe you wanted to do a video presentation. It actually can show the video and can show it and also play the sound. So it actually tracks the sound, which is really cool as well. So this has a lot of really neat features, and it's very small and very portable. And it's all connected in this wonderful little dongle right here.